Because if someone wants to break into your door, they're going to break into your door. The best we can do is just make it more difficult. Because by making it more difficult, a burglar might discover they don't have enough time, or they have to make more noise than they're comfortable with, and that might just be a good enough deterrent. So here's a utility room door in a parking garage, and it has to have these louvers because there's hot equipment inside. And burglars were bending open the louvers and messing with the lock. So instead of ordering a custom door, I installed a solid core door and then cut holes in it and put vents over it for ventilation, but kept the vents far enough away from the doorknob so they couldn't bust it open and reach through. And once I painted it, it matched all the other doors. But there was one more security feature to add to make it that much more difficult to break into.
It's called a latch shield, and here's how it works. It comes in two parts. This part installs on the door, and then you have this part that installs on the jamb. So you can see when the door is closed and locked, it makes it very challenging to get a crowbar behind there. A lot of people stick a crowbar or a screwdriver behind there to pry open. Now they could go above here, but it's very difficult to pry the door here and have the bolt come out. So you put it right over the bolt, and obviously you want to leave enough space between the edge of the door so that the thing can shut. You don't want that thing hitting your stop. So I just kind of hold it in place and line it up, and you can see once it's closed, these screws are hidden so that you can't get to them. And then what I do, once I have the thing installed and I know that it's working, I just take a drill bit and strip these. So it would be very difficult to get these out. The latch shield. You lock it up, and they're not getting anything behind there.